one, man, I got all that power, Lord. Hold my hand to oppose the cowards as I feed my fam so they grow like flowers, Lord. Control my hands so my soul won't devour for. Control my soldier hate me but won't bring it to my face. I know they envy cause they ops claiming they game. Chunk the deuces and proceed to do my thing. Cause Gator with a click is like a bullet in my dame. I lost my granny and a lot of shit that changed. Beside my kids, everything I do for Linda G. Coffee collar deal do stain in my teeth. Through my veins. I gotta get it, I'ma keep buying it mean. Bullshit not permitted, I'm addicted to the cheese. No one, man, I got all that power, Lord. Hold my hand to oppose the cowards as I feed my fam so they grow like flowers, Lord. Control my hands so my soul to hold a load of cores. Mold my hands to grip with the biggest of swords. Hold my head, bad news they mentioning to him. Lord, a chance of me ever getting into it. If I do that, you niggas know that it's a wrap. When your lawn sees up from all the smoke that's in the air. Trying to bring my seeds up, but I set foot off in the trap, so I ain't gonna never ease up. On my knees every night for my life, strength, and health. I say excuse me every time a nigga belch. I don't need no Louis V, I clean them demons out myself. No one, man, I got all the power. Omari Hart with shit, ghost for sour. Michael, feel God, true soul survivor, Lord. No one, man, I got all that power, Lord. Hold my hand and oppose the cowards as I feed my fam so they grow like flowers, Lord. Control my hands so my soul won't devour for it. Control my legs to hold the load of force. Mold my hands to grip with the biggest of swords. Hold my head, bad news they mentioning to him. Lord, a chance of me ever getting so they grow like flowers, Lord. Control my hands so my soul won't devour for it. Control my legs to hold the load, of course. Mold my hands to grip with the biggest of swords. Hold my head, bad news they mentioning to him. Lord, a chance of me ever getting into it. No one, man, I got all that power.
Pressure separates the champions from the contenders. The first from second. Pressure separates the greatest from the great. Most people crumble under pressure. Winners thrive under pressure.
Without pressure, there would be no diamonds. And without pressure, there would be no greats. Pressure brings the greatest among us into the light. Without challenges, you would never grow.
Don't you get it? Challenges strengthen you. Competition makes you better.
Hey, listen, ain't no pressure on me, dog, cause I ain't stud niggas. My mind only on needing a big hungry nigga. Shout out to Cali on my big homie nigga. Flow dope, they must.
Sometimes I just try to listen to the walls. Try to. I don't know, man. I don't talk back. Get in my feet.
It's been a minute since I got in my feelings. The ones you fucking with the most seem like they do the most damage. I keep the culture staying focused when they notice you're winning. They understand and underhanded we supposed to be family. Fuck by who, right or wrong. I stand on my business, my vision is clear, I'm gifted. I'm painting a picture, success on the tip of my fingers. They testing your patience, you fail if you move out of anger. Possessing the knowledge of blessing, you can't let them sink you. I've been in that water, they won't get to pull up the anchor. Consist like a tortoise, I won't let up, that's on the manger. I had to step out my comfort, look from a different angle. Got in the booth and with currency, you can keep the famous. I put my faith in the Lord, he keep me away from danger. And keep that Drake in my arms, don't know who I just thank you. Patiently waited my turn, I'm suited like a hanger. That's why I don't fuck with you niggas, mom say don't talk to strangers. Consist on holding your nuts, hoping I fumble later. I got them calling me Mowgli, cause the jungle raised them. Mad niggas is trolling, I had to get my weight up. And now my moment's approaching and they can't lift their face up. I gotta keep it in motion, can't slip, that's what they wait for. Let them get caught in the jam, that's probably what they pay for. Act like they happy to see you, but hate to see you wake up. Behind that glitter, you rusty, can't hide behind that fake up. If I consider your loyalty and keep you in my favor, you in the